For centuries, secret groups like the Illuminati, the Knights Templar, and the Freemasons have fascinated and mystified the public. Whispers of hidden knowledge, occult rituals, and ancient power have surrounded these organizations, sparking countless theories about how they've influenced history. While many of these groups have vanished into obscurity or secrecy, the Freemasons still stand, cloaked in their rituals and symbols. But they didn't start as a shadowy organization wielding hidden knowledge. They began as simple builders in the age of castles and cathedrals. In 1717, the Freemasons officially organized in England, evolving from stone masons who built the great cathedrals of Europe into a brotherhood seeking higher truths about life, the universe, and the human condition. Their teachings began to move beyond stone and mortar, delving into philosophies that promised power and enlightenment to those deemed worthy. The hidden path to power.